Now let's understand a triplex hydraulic pump, a type of positive displacement pump consisting of 3 reciprocating plungers, typically used in hydraulic systems. It utilizes reciprocating motion to draw in and discharge hydraulic fluid. Positive displacement design ensures a constant flow rate regardless of pressure variations. Key components: 3 pistons or plungers, suction and discharge valves, hydraulic fluid reservoir and delivery system. They are commonly employed in high-pressure hydraulic systems. They are used in various industries, including construction, oil and gas, and manufacturing. They are reliable and robust design. They provide a consistent and pulsation-free flow and suitable for high-pressure applications. It requires careful maintenance to prevent wear and leakage. Its pulsating flow may cause system vibrations. As far as its condition monitoring is considered, we can acquire pressure or temperature or vibrations. Pressure signals, monitoring variations in pressure for early fault detection. Temperature, tracking temperature changes for potential overheating issues. Vibration, assessing mechanical vibrations for signs of imbalance or misalignment. Since it is a central component in hydraulic power transmission crucial for controlling and generating hydraulic power, its maintenance strategies include regular inspection of pistons, valves, and seals. Regular monitoring and analyzing pressure signals for abnormal patterns can also be undertaken. Current developments include integration of smart sensors for real-time condition monitoring, advancements in materials and manufacturing for increased durability, implementation of predictive maintenance using AI and machine learning.